Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine, teacher.
Good. You may sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Today, we are going to learn parts of animals. Okay, before we start today's lesson, I'm going to give you a riddle. You have to listen very carefully and try to guess the animal. My body is covered with soft fur. I can jump and hop. I eat carrots. What am I? Okay, Shafi'i? I'm sorry, Shafi'i. That is not the answer. Anyone else? What about you, Amira?
It is good.
Okay, class, is that the correct answer?
No.
Okay, who else wants to try? Okay, what is your answer, Hamiza?
It is rabbit.
Is the answer correct, class?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, give her a clap. Class, would you like to see how a rabbit looks like?
Yes.
You can do so by joining all the pieces of this jigsaw puzzle. I'm going to paste the biggest piece on the blackboard. Now I need a pupil from each group to complete the picture. Okay, may I have someone from group 1?
I want to try, teacher.
Nadia? Is that correct, class?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next. May I have someone from group 2? Okay, Alia? Okay. Is this correct, class?
Yes.
Very good. Someone from group 3? Okay, Hidayah? Is this correct?
Yes.
Good. Okay, we have someone from group 4, Shazal. Is this correct, class?
Yes.
Very good. Anyone from group 5? Okay, Aizan. Okay, is this correct, class? Yes. Very good. And the last piece, I need someone from group 6. Arif. Well done, class. You have completed the complete picture of a rabbit. Give yourselves a clap. In the previous lesson, you have already learned the parts of a bird and a fish. Different animals have different parts on their bodies. So today, we are going to name the parts of a rabbit. Okay, before that, I have to draw lines. Now, I want you to look at this word card. Okay, class, say after me. I. I. Spell I. E-Y-E-I. Again. E-Y-E-I. Okay, write the word in the air. E-Y-E-I. Okay. Where is the rabbit's eye? Okay. What about you, Alia? Is this correct, class? Yes. Good. Now we move on to the next word card. Okay, say after me, ears. Yes. Spell ears. E-A-R-S. Yes. Write the word in the air. E-A-R-S. Yes. Okay, where are the rabbit's ears? Okay, tell me. Are these the rabbit's ears? Yes. Very good. The next word, class, legs. Legs. Spell the word. L-E-G-S. Write the word in the air. L-E-G-S. Legs. Where are the rabbits? Rabiator? Is it correct? Yes. Good. Okay. The next word. Tail. Tail. Spell the word. T-A-I-L. Write it in the air. Where is the rabbit's tail? Okay. Azmani. Is this the rabbit's tail? Yes. Very good. Next word, class, read mouth. Mouth. Spell mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Write the word in the air. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. rabbit Amanina. Is this the rabbit's mouth? Yes. Very good. Our last word for today is fur. Spell fur. Write the word in the air. Where is the rabbit? Let me see. Akidayu, you try. Is this correct, class? Yes. Very good. Give yourselves a big clap. Okay. In our next activity, each group will be given a jigsaw puzzle of different animals. So you have to join all the pieces together. After that, you have to name the body parts. I want a group leader from each group to come out and collect the materials. Okay, the group leader of group 1. Group 2. Group 3. Group 3. Group 4. Group 4. Careful. Group 5. Group 5. And group 6. Okay, class. You will do this in 6 minutes time. Be careful with the pins. The pins are very sharp. Push in the pin. What is it? The pins are here. Push. Okay, what animal does it turn out to be? Group 2? What animal is it? Fish. Okay, group 2 has finished. What about the other groups? Group 4? What is the animal? Cat. Okay, next. Have you finished group 5? Okay, what is the animal? A goat. Okay. Okay, what about group 1 and group 6? Push in, push in. Okay, that's good. Okay, now, what animal does it turn out to be? Group 1? Bird. Okay, group 2? Fish. What about group 3? A frog. Group 4? Cat. Group 5? A goat. And what about group 6? A duck. Okay, now I want group 1 to come in front and tell the other groups what your group has done. Here. Shift the stand more. Okay. Okay, the rest of you listen. Okay, you may start now. This is a bird. Okay, good. A bird has a tail. Okay, next. Okay, that is good. A bird has a beak. A bird has 2 eyes. A bird has feathers. Good. A bird has 2 wings. A bird has 2 legs. Okay, very good job by group 1. Okay, class, clap your hands. Now, can we have group 2, please? Come in front and present your group's work. Stand here and face the class. A fish has a mouth. Yes. Good. A fish has 2 eyes. A fish has a tail. Yes. A fish has fins. Very good work by group 2. Okay, class. Give them a clap. Group 6, can you please come in front and present your group's work? Okay, you stand here, Harry. Okay, help me over here. Okay, please the class. Shafi'i.
This is a duck.
Yes, this is a duck. Next.
A duck has a wing.
A duck has wings.
A duck has 2 eyes.
A duck has 2 eyes.
A duck has a beak.
A duck has a beak.
A duck has 2 legs.
A duck has 2 legs. Good job, boys. Put down the polyester. Okay, well done. Give yourselves a big clap. Do you like playing games?
Yes!
Okay. For our next activity, Aswani, stand up. Farah, Hidayu, Fatin, Fajrin, and Harith. I want the 6 of you to do activities on the computer. As there are only 3 computers here, okay? Take your stool. Find a stool. Okay, come. Okay? You share with her. Okay. Join the other groups. Aizat. Helmi and Shafiq. Join the other group. Join that group. For the next activity, we only need 4 groups. Okay, you can join this group. Helmi, join this group. Shafiq, you can stay in this group. Helmi, you join the other group. Okay, the rest of you will be given a basket containing word cards as well as picture cards. you have to take out a picture card and put it on the table. Then each pupil will get 5 of these word cards. And you have to take turns to describe the picture using the word cards that you have. So can I have a leader from each group to come and collect the materials? Okay, hold on. Just yours. Great. The pupil who finished first is the winner. Okay, you may start playing now. A tiger has no. Does a tiger have feathers?
Deer has a goat has 2 eyes. Two horns. A goat has a mouth. A goat has 2 ears. What animal is this? Elephant. An elephant has ears. An elephant has eyes. The heroes have the ears.
Where are your word cards? Huh? Ini saja. Use this. Okay. That is all the time we have for this game. Can you please put back the picture cards and the word cards into the basket? Put back. Okay, kids, children. Okay, that's enough. Okay, never mind. Okay, class. I would like to end today's lesson with a jazz chant. Everybody look at the chart. Say after me, I am an elephant. An elephant. An elephant. Yes, an elephant. What does an elephant have? A big body. A long trunk. 2 big ears. And a tail. Okay, now I want all of you to stand up. Stand up. And read. Okay, are you ready? Okay, read. Okay, we will make this jazz chant more interesting by doing actions. Okay, follow me, class. I am an elephant. Then use your left foot now. An elephant. Okay, for the question, I want Amira to read the question. Yes, an elephant. What does an elephant have? Okay, for this question, I want Huda to read it. A big body.
A big body.
A long trunk.
A long trunk.
Two big ears.
Two big ears.
And a tail.
And a tail.
Okay, why not we try again one more time?
Yes.
Okay, let's try again one more time. Okay, class, ready? 1, 2, start. Okay, come in front, class. Come in front. 12 pupils in a row. Okay, line up. In a row. 7. Okay. Okay, we'll try it out again. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, start.
I am an elephant.
Yes.
An elephant. An elephant. Yes, an elephant. What does an elephant have? A big body. A long trunk. Two big ears. And a tail.
Okay, good. Would you like to try again?
Yes.
Okay, one last time. Okay, one more time. Ready, start. Well done. Give yourselves a big clap. Okay, you may go back to your seats now. That's all for today, class. Thank you.